Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Ms. Gomez doing homework number 10 that you can locate in YouTube under Ms. Gomez homework number 10. Homework number 10 is over transformations. This is what your worksheet should look like. So let's go ahead and get started. It says for number 1, for us to graph the function y equals 2x minus 3. So what I like to do is set up a table, my x and my y values. So I'm going to go from -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, and 3. I substitute these in. So when I have -3 times 2 is -6. -6 minus 3 gives me a -9. -2 times 2 gives me -4. -4 minus 3 gives me -7. 2 times -1 gives me -2. Minus 3 gives me -5. 2 times 0 is 0, minus 3 gives me -3. 2 times 1 is 2, minus 3 is -1. 2 times 2 is 4, minus 3 is 1. 2 times 3 is 6, minus 3 is 3. So here I have a total of 7 points that I can graph. So now I'm going to go ahead and I go -3 to -9. -2, -7, -1, -5, 0, -3, 1, -1, 2, 1, 3, 3. So I can construct my line connecting all of my dots as such. Question number 2 says, using the function in question number 1, multiply the slope by -1/2 and increase the y-intercept by 8. Graph the new function. So therefore, they're saying to multiply my slope by 1/2, so -1/2. So 2 times a -0.5, which is going to give me a -1x. And then it says to increase the y-intercept by 8, so it's 8 minus 3, which is a +5. So now I have my x and y values, so I do my new table. So once again, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, and 3. So negative times a negative makes it a positive. +3 plus 5 gives me 8. So 2 plus 5 gives me 7. Negative times a negative makes it a +1 plus 5 is 6. Negative times 0 is 0 plus 5 is just 5. So then -1 times 1 is 1. -1 plus 5 is 4. -1 times 2 is -2 plus 5 is 3. -1 times 3 is -3 plus 5 is 2. So now I have my points. And I can graph these. I'm going to use a different color so you can see. So at -3, it is a +8. At -2, it's 7. At -1, it's 6. At 0, it's 5. At 1, it's 4. At 2, it's 3. And at 3, it's 2. So once again, I can draw and connect my points as such. And I've completed number 2. Problem 3 says write the equation of your new function, which we already did on the previous page when we got the equation. And we got -1x plus 5. So now we got to write it. -1x plus 5 after the y equals. And we're done with number 3. It says describe the change in the graph from the first equation to the second equation. Well, our slope became negative. for the first part. So that means it was reflexive across the y-axis. And then also the y-intercept was transformed eight units up from -3. Hopefully this will help you with the rest of your homework, ladies and gentlemen, because you have the multiple choice questions, 9 on the bottom of the front page, and then you have 6 problems on the back and a true and false to explain on the back side. Please have this homework completed and turned in by Friday to your Algebra 1 and Math Models teachers. Thank you and have a great day.